Hello friends, welcome to my educational channel. Now here we have started the Science of 8th standard and we have started the lesson Health and Disease. First we have discussed the infectious disease and now we are discussing the non-infectious disease. Among that, now today in this video we are going to discuss about the disease of the heart. You all know that the heart continuously needs the continuous supply of blood and thereby the supply of the nutrients and the oxygen. Continuous, there is circulation of blood in the heart and that blood is supplying the nutrients and the oxygen. But due to some or the other reason, the blood flow is disturbed. It is not going properly. If the blood circulation is disturbed, if the flow of blood is disturbed, then proper nutrients and oxygen is not supplied to the heart. Now this is very dangerous because this decreases the efficiency of the heart. The heart has to do more work and this may cause stress on the heart. And in all these cases, it may result in heart attack, and you all are known that heart attack is very dangerous. If someone gets a heart attack, immediately you should consult the doctor. But before that, you should know what are the symptoms of heart attack. So now here we are going to discuss some of the symptoms of the heart attack. The major symptoms are just severe pain in the chest. Along with that, there is pain in the shoulder, neck and the arms. Also, there is uneasiness and there is tremors. Tremors, that is the feeling of shaking. Now, these are the symptoms, but not a rule that all these symptoms should be seen. Sometimes there may be some different symptoms or some of the symptoms may be seen from this. Now, let us see what are the reasons for the heart attack. The main and the prominent reasons are same, like alcoholism, smoking or diabetes, hypertension, obesity, lack of physical exercise. It may be heredity or because of the mental stress, due to the anger or due to the anxiety. Now these are the possible reasons for the heart attack. But here same thing again, we cannot say as a rule that these should be the reasons. Maybe some of these reasons may be there or some another reason will be there for causing the heart attack. But if the heart attack is caused, 100% you have to consult the doctor. Keep in mind that if there is a heart attack, it is not the divine or the curse of or because of anyone's hatred. It's not the curse of the doctor. So instead of going to any babas or doing any mantras, just finally you have to consult doctor because it is a physical disorder. Now whatever the things the doctor will do, that can just save that person. But before going to the doctor, there should be some first aids. If you find some person having the heart attack, the first thing you have to do is just call to the number 108 for the ambulance. Then you have to check the consciousness of the patient by just shaking his shoulder. After shaking the shoulder of that person, if you find that that person is conscious or unconscious, still you have to do the further process. That is, that person should be laid down on the floor on the hard surface. When you keep that person laying on the back on the ground on the hard surface, then you have to perform the following process, and that is called COLS. That is just the perform compression only life support. It means in this process you just have to press the center of the throat, center of the thorax. When you press at the center of the thorax at least 30 times at the rate of 100 to 120 strokes per minute. This may increase the chances of the survival of that patient. Otherwise, heart attack, it can be fatal. If that person has the heart attack, then he has to undergo several treatments, like it may be angioplasty or that may be bypass surgery or the open heart surgery or that may be heart transplant or the installation of the stents or installation of the pacemaker. These all are the treatments done by the doctors. They are the medical treatments and they just help the patient to survive more. So here we have just discussed about the heart diseases. What are the symptoms, what may be the reasons and what should be done, what first aid you have to give and what are the medical treatments the doctor can supply. So this is about all the heart disease, but it's very dangerous. Before getting the any heart disease, you have to try to be healthy, and for that the first main thing that you have to keep yourself healthy by doing regular physical exercise, proper diet. Along with that, whatever the alcoholism or the smoking habits the people have, they should be away from that. If there is obesity, that also can be avoided by the proper diet, by the proper nourishment. Whatever the mental stress is there, mental stress can be removed by yourself. So try to live positive, be happy, so that heart diseases will not approach you. And if they approach, please take proper medical treatment, because they are not caused by the divine curse or by the hatred. They are just caused because there is some abnormality in the blood circulation. If there is abnormality in the blood circulation, there may be the blockage in the heart, or the blood supply is not proper. And if the blood supply is not proper, then there may be the chance of heart attack. So as to avoid this, take proper medical treatment. So in short, here we have just discussed about the heart diseases. Thank you.